Abisala mga kaibigan! Gusto ko lang i-share yung night out namin minsan dito sa may Agave Mexican Cantina bandang Cainta, Rizal. They have live band music or at least live music, bottomless mojito and margaritas, and of course, affordable pizzas. So yung mojito nila is ranging from 399 to 499 pesos, depende if you order classic or flavored. Same thing with margaritas by the way. While yung pizza naman nila is ranging from 469 to 499 pesos. Sa isang gabi, we spent 1,500 pesos and it's already good for two. You already have drinks, food, and live music. And hindi mo naman talaga kailangan umorder ng bottomless kasi umorder ako ng bottomless, 2 glasses lang ng mojito, bagsak na ako actually, antok na ako. And isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito, pumunta kami Sabado. If millennials ka or Generation X, you will enjoy the music, especially if you're not updated with the latest songs today kasi makakasabay kang kumanta. Ayun lang naman. Thank you sa pakakinig. Try nyo minsan dito. Bye-bye!